These are some extremely loud birds. But they are on Sophie. Oh, there is 3 on top of Sophie. Of course, ow! Yeah, let's go. Oh, I got 2 now. Alrighty. Alright,
I booped him and he booped me back.
Alright, that's my shot. But this bird's my buddy. How's it going, buddy? He's chilling right here. But they're really loud, so I don't know if you can hear me that well. But got some vulture-looking birds up there. Yeah. So we still has her bird. She has 2 now. I still have a bird.
Watch out, don't try to use your fingers.
Oh, I got 2 birds again. Oh, that bird absolutely. That bird, Sophie. Sophie.
You got crap on. My brother got craps on.
Take the show. Sideways, you retard. Oh my god, you're so bad at it.
I'm trying. Upside down. Oh my gosh! Oh, okay, so we got little ducks. Jonathan, move, you're scaring them. Hi! Oh my gosh. They're beautiful!
Grab it.
Oh my god, they're so cute. Oh, I love them. Look at them, Jay. What's up, Mr. Jay?
Alright, let me see it. I just got pooped on. Ah, dang it. But yeah, this is the reserve or the bird foundation or whatever it's called in Cozumel, Mexico. It's $14 for adults and $12 for kids. We got all types of birds. Some little duckies and stuff like that. But we're gonna go ahead and go to the next one and we'll video there. Alright, well we also got something pretty cool here, a little tiger. Yeah, it's pretty neat. Alright, we're here in the next little aquarium thing. We got a birdie here. Let's try to touch him if I can do it. There he is. Oh, there he goes, flying over Sophie's head. We got one over here on the swing. I see you, boy. I see you. What's the food? That a baby. That a boy. Get some more. Some more. Anyway, if y'all see a meeting, that'd be pretty cool. See if I can give him a fist bump here.
I grabbed one.
Oh. Oh, there he goes. Up there. Alright, well, this is pretty cool. We're gonna feed him over here. You know, I got some good food left here. Let's give this female some. It's cool. Oh my god. Freaking birds flying at my head. Got a bird over here. Oh. Okay, here's the type of bird. Go see here. It's a Puerto Rico multicolored bird or something like that. Yeah. Whatever. Cheeks and throated white. But yeah, there's everything. Pretty cool there. But
One tried to eat my fingertip.
all right, we're gonna go to the next one. Yeah, see you in a second. All right, here we go into the second aquarium, or our fourth aquarium. Got a bird. Sophie has a bird.
Very sharp feet. Yeah. Like very sharp feet.
Cool.
My nubs.
Oh. Don't touch it, don't touch it. We got a cute bird going on here. He got yellow with the red around his neck. It's pretty cool. I can give him a little pet.
Very sharp feet. Very sharp feet.
Hey Sylvie, come video him. I'm gonna try to give him a little fist bump. Are you with you?
Let me get over here.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, hold on. Let me get one. You can fist bump mine. Come on.
Alright, Sophie got her a blue one. Oh my god, absolutely getting attacked. We got another bird in here. Cute. Oh, there he goes. Got a yellow bird up there. It's pretty cool. Let's go to the about me section here. Hold on. Zoom in on camera. There we go. Oh, we got a cool looking bird right there, by the way. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's go here. A Conrad Kramer or something like that. Goofy name. Pretty cool bird. This is where you can find him. I don't know where that's at. Habit woods, parks, and gardens, whitetail, and then with tall trees. Feeding seeds and fruits. Cool little picture of the bird. Really cool there. But this is pretty neat. So let's play other birds. Alright, we're gonna head to the next one. See you in a second. Alright, so while we're crossing over the bridge here, if you look down over here, this is the Dolphins aquarium where you can swim with the dolphins, or like a dolphin encounter. See, there's a dolphin right there. It's pretty cool. Ow, I just banged into something. Yeah, see, there's a dolphin down there. Over here, there's the cruise ships over there. That's the one we're on. There's a dolphin. Yeah, there's another dolphin. And there should be a dolphin over there. Yeah, there is a dolphin all the way over there. You can barely see it. It's right about there. But yeah, if you want to see this, is in Cozumel, Mexico. We're going to keep going. Alright guys, we're on the next aquarium here. There's not much on the floor here. All the birds are up above
They look
us.
like children.
See, there's some right there. There's some up here. Some over there on that little wood log. We're going to put our hands out and wait, see if we can get one to come land on our hand.
Why are you
But we got a few birds over here.
John.
What?
That one keeps getting mounted.
Oh yeah. Some birds making
They're having a good time.
they're making out up there in that little log. They are. Looks like they stopped.
Alright.
Oh no, they keep going. All right, but this bird is just got landed on. All right, well we're gonna get out of here. This is a kind of a weird place. So, but yeah. All right, see you on the. All right, below us here there is a guy. He's swimming the dolphin right here. It's pretty cool. See, there's some stuff going on over there. But we're coming up over here on maybe another aquarium. We'll see. Alright, we came up on our next birds. I'm pretty sure this might be the last birds.
No, there's a couple more.
Let's see. Oh, Sophie! I just lost all my food. Because, you know, didn't hold the door for me. Well, we're here on our other aquarium. I don't know if there's any birds, but this is what should be in here. These guys. But I don't see any birds.
See it, look here.
I also know too. Where?
There, look at the ceiling.
Oh, kind of odd. That's a lizard up there. But we're just gonna skip this one. There's no birds in here. All right, we're coming here to the end. There's another place where you go down, but would I recommend doing this? Yeah, I would. This is pretty fun. Yeah, but here's a good little view of Cozumel, Mexico. Yeah, will I recommend doing this? Yes, this was fun. So, hope you all enjoyed this little video, little walkthrough, and reviews on what this thing looked like.
A lot of food, bro.
But yeah, we're gonna keep going. See ya. We'll see you next time.